Hello students, today's lesson plan number 1 of English subject topic is noun. You can see learning objectives. These are related to your subject or topic. Then learning outcomes. Outcomes are depends on your objectives also. Then methods. Which methods are useful for your topic? You can write. Then TLM. TLMs are used for the interesting the topic. Then previous knowledge. Then introduction. To start your topic, you can ask introduction question like this. Then statement of objective. You can start your topic like this, use this line. You know students, there are 2 pages for presentation. This is first page of presentation. You can see our topic is noun, then definition of noun, then types of noun, then their descriptions. This is a page number 1 of presentation. Then page number 2 of presentation. You can see. I hope all are visible. If all are not visible, you can get a PDF इन टेलीग्राम चैनल डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में अवेलेबल है इसका टेलीग्राम लिंक ना. आप टेलीग्राम लिंक में जाके वहाँ से अपना PDF आप ले सकते हैं. ओके, कम ऑन लास्ट पेज ना. होमवर्क देखिए कैसे होमवर्क देंगे. आई होप this is helpful for you. Okay students, next lesson plan number 2, 3, 4 and so on will available in this channel. If you want, subscribe this channel and like this also. Okay students, thank you. And other subjects lesson plan are also in this channel. You can see all subjects. Okay students, thank you.